Hello everybody, we're on the road again, as they say. We're going to go down and spend some time with Leo down there in the Matewan area. We're going to do some camping. It's hard to tell what else we're going to get into. You know, Leo with Hillbilly Files. And we're going to go down there and see if we can do some things down there. And I want to see if y'all want to go along with us, see what we all can get into. I've got about I guess hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes travel to get there. So I will get back with you when we get down in the Matewan area. And if you all will, if you please like and subscribe to the channel if you would. So let's get on down 52. We'll see if we can get up with him. We'll catch you just in a bit. Hey folks, we are entering Matewan, West Virginia. All kind of history down in here. Cold Wars, Hatfields and McCoys, all kinds of history down in this part of the country. We got old Leo down here hiding out somewhere. We'll have to go find him. He's down here along the river. I think he's hiding out what they call the Hatfield hideout today. See if we can go find him. We're gonna go on down here though, see if we can go down the river and see if we can find him. See if we can run into him. Be back with you here just in a few minutes. Well, here's my friend.
Perfect timing, man. Pulled up, looked at my clock, said 101.
Am I good or what?
I looked up and I said, "There's Danny."
Man, it warmed up, didn't it?
Yeah, it did. Beautiful day. Turned out real pretty.
What are we gonna do? We're gonna set up camp.
Yeah, this is the same one I was at when it snowed, that big snowstorm a couple weeks ago. These here got camper power, you know.
Well, that's good because I don't.
These next ones here are all 110. So you'll probably either want that one, or that one.
Oh, so we can pick, can we?
Yeah, take your pick, whichever one you want, man, whichever one you like. These here are the camper.
Oh, that's the hookups for the camper.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Yeah, there's no 110 over here, but the rest of them are.
Get this stuff off the truck, I guess.
Yeah, take your pick, brother. Take your pick. We'll get set up and got something sweet. Cool spot too. Going?
We're going. Oh, we're face to face, aren't we? I think we're face to face. Yeah. I can't see for the sun.
Yeah. Hello, YouTubers. How we doing today? It's Leo again, out here doing some camping. Got my buddy Danny here. He's working on his channel too.
Got a train coming. Daggone train.
So he's videoing me while I'm videoing him. Hang on, we'll get a close-up.
That's close right there. You can't ask for no closer right there.
And Danny has agreed to set up all the tents.
It is what it is.
It's worth a try.
Oh, we got the railroad running over here on President's Day.
Check it out.
Look there. My goodness.
Anyway, we are just outside of Matewan, West Virginia. 10 inches, something like that.
Yeah, we're gonna set our tents up here just in a few minutes and get everything ready. I think we're gonna do some graveyard stuff in the morning and try to do a little bit of searching around, see what we can find. Meanwhile, we gotta set our tents up and get all of our heating stuff set up because it's gonna be in the 30s tonight and we wanna be prepared to keep warm. So, you know, Leo always goes prepared to keep warm. So, we're gonna see what we can do about that. And I'm gonna get on off of here and start pulling the stuff off the truck to set up the the tent, and that's what I think is what he's going to do here just in a minute. We'll get back with y'all just in a little bit. Well, looks like we got them together, I guess. Leo's over inspecting his.
You're doing good.
You've done well.
For what? Yeah, half of one. I did half well.
Half well. Uh-oh. We're going to have to get it going here. I believe it's bypassing this thing here. Oh, yeah. We're doing something now, I believe. Let's see. Yeah. I just gotta get everything in here now. We got power. Usually when we camp, we don't have power. So that means we can use electric heaters, don't it? But we will get back with you just a little bit. We'll have to figure out something to do. Because we're both hyper people. We can't just sit around and do nothing. We'll be getting into something for sure after a while. Yeah, let's get this together. Get back with y'all in a bit.
Recording?
It says it is. Yep, it's recording.
I'm not. I'm not recording.
You look like you are.
No, I wouldn't do that.
Hey Leo, is your feet cold?
No, my feet's actually really warm.
Look here, people.
Back ain't that warm.
He has got it made sitting here in front of this far.
He does.
Okay. He's got it made.
We got us a warm little fire going.
Look here, bud. We got wood and everything.
Hank brought us a big pile of firewood, and we're just kind of hanging out by my busted Temu tent. I wish it was a Temu cheap tent, like $200.
Look like he might hang clothes out on the line on that end right there.
I don't know, man. He looks like he's got some issues. We'll just say that. We'll just leave it at that. Issues.
Well, you're not sleeping in that tonight, are you?
No, I'll be sleeping in the camper. I kind of want it though for later we set up, watch movies, set up a projector and all that kind of stuff. But oh well, right? What are you gonna do? So right now we're just kind of hanging out, enjoying the day. It's high 40s, something like that.
Yeah, it's gonna get colder.
Yeah, the sun's done set on us, and we're expecting high 20s tonight, somewhere in that ballpark, 28, 30, somewhere in there. So it should be an interesting night. And get up in the morning and go hit a graveyard. But we both got heaters. I've got my little heater set up in my truck camper, and Danny's got him a heater set up in his tent.
I hope it all works all right. I hope I pay my electric bill.
Really? Hope Hank did.
Yeah, I hope Hank pays the electric bill. Yeah.
So we're doing pretty good so far. The only thing that has Danny worried is that little open section up top where the rain fly is. They got that mesh. Danny, if you were to drop this orange one, drop that orange pole, that would just close every bit of that up right next to the tent, too.
I think that's what I'll end up doing. That's a great idea.
And that would just close it all up and make it smaller, too.
Yeah.
And you'll be using that vestibule anyway.
No, that's just for looks, ain't it?
Yeah, pretty much, yeah. Well, I never did get the point of that.
Of that anyway.
We had a great big tent, like 20 some feet. And it had a big vestibule like that, and
Maybe it's in case you want to change shoes, heavy shoes,
Yeah,
a
I
rug
think it's
out
for,
there or
put
something,
your
you know.
coolers and shoes and stuff like that. But mine always got wet. I never could use it. And then a tree fell on it.
And then
you
there
really,
it was.
Then you really couldn't use it then.
So we got plans tomorrow, don't we?
Yeah, we do. We're going to go, matter of fact, right down this road right here. When I mentioned it on this video, when I was over here camping a few weeks ago in the snowstorm, right there, we had about 8-10 inches of snow, whatever, and I went down to the graveyard, and it's a really interesting graveyard. I don't want to say too much right now, let the cat out of the bag just yet till we get there, but it's a really interesting graveyard, really interesting story, that's for sure. It's a pretty much unknown, smoke in the eyes, sorry guys, pretty much an unknown Hatfield cemetery. There are a few Hatfields that know where this place is, but that's about it. You know, I didn't even know about this till just a few weeks ago. We knew about it a little bit before that, before I came over here, and I was going to go down there, but you know, I had the ATV out in the snow drifts up in that little holler were, you know, up past my bumper, so I wasn't able to make it back up in the holler to go find the graveyard. So we should be good tomorrow, though. It should be, you know, a real pretty day. Sun's gonna come out, and
Just gotta make it through the cold spell tonight.
yeah, we just got to live through tonight. We have to survive the night. The plan, what we're operating on, Plan B here, guys. The original plan was to use the big tent. Excuse me. Use the big tent, take the heater, and put the heater in the big tent, and then, you know, you've got a, you know, a nice open area to watch TV or, you know, cook or whatever you want to do. You've got a nice warm little area to do it. But since the side collapsed in,
There all that is, ain't it?
yeah, I don't think that's going to be holding any heat. So
Well,
we're hanging out by the fire until it gets about bedtime. I'll go that way,
and I'll go this way.
and Danny goes that way. So we're still.
And the restrooms is over there.
Yep, bathroom's right over there.
That ain't bad. Yes.
No. So we should be pretty set. We'll be out keeping warm by the fire
Yeah.
until later.
Yeah.
But you know, that's the only drawback. There ain't no warm place to go watch the movies.
Nothing. No.
Oh well.
All right.
We'll try not to freeze to death. I'll try if you'll try. Deal?
I'll make that point.
Okay.
Alrighty. Alrighty.
All right. We see you guys in a minute. Just thought we'd kind of update you where we're at right now.
What we're doing.
Kind of hanging out. We ain't done dinner yet. Just got us a fire going. We've been sitting around talking shop, talking YouTube.
Yeah. I'm learning something.
We're talking YouTube subscribers and algorithms and YouTube Studio, and yeah.
A lot to it.
Yeah,
It is.
There is. There's a lot to learn. There's a lot to it. We certainly ain't. We've been doing it for over a year now, and you know, we still learn new. You know, every day.
Yeah.
Learning new stuff.
It's showing you're doing well, though. You're doing real well.
Man, it's a lot of fun. It is. It's a lot of fun. You know, you get out and, you know, do stuff like this and just disappear sometimes into the woods and,
Yeah.
you know, not come back for a couple days.
Oh.
But, all right, we're going to hang out, guys,
Yeah.
sip on some coffee, have some snacks.
Sit here by the fire.
Relax. Oh, you mean stomach problems?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, okay. I thought you meant like gas.
Well, that too, but it's just I know it's a no-no, so I ain't gonna eat it this time of night.
That is really good, isn't it? Man, you
Yes,
done
it
wolfed yours already?
Yeah, I'm gonna deep dive into another here in a minute.
You was hungry, wasn't you?
Yeah, a little bit.
I believe I got mine a little bit too hot, but that's okay.
It's smoking, that's for sure.
Yeah, it was. It looks good though, don't it?
Yeah. Better watch our backs. Might be something come down out of the woods here and might want to take it from us. You reckon?
Mm-hmm. Let's hope so. There, Bigfoot.
Bigfoot.
Come on.
Oh no.
Come on, Bigfoot.
Oh no.
Dinner.
Don't be hollering for him.
Why?
No. Oh. You won't do, Leo.
Hey, I done told you, man. If Bigfoot shows up, I'm not running nowhere. I'm gonna video that.
Well,
I'm not going nowhere.
no, you won't have to worry about nothing. If you get him on video, you've got it.
Somebody else might get the video, but brother, I'm going down with the camera in my hand.
Oh my.
Ain't no way I'm gonna let Bigfoot walk by me
Oh.
without staying on
Are you
him.
killing me with that
Sorry.
light? Can you put a dimmer on that or something?
Hang on. Which one was it?
There you
we
go. We were going somewhere now. I can see you now.
All right.
Look here. Look here. I can see you.
I can barely see you on the screen.
You are Leo. But a while
you
ago,
sure?
you was just a big old bright spot.
How you know I'm Leo?
Oh, well,
Maybe I lied.
you're good at it, I guess. Oh, no. I'm going to go over here and get me another one.
Go for it, man. They're really good, ain't they?
Yeah.
4 degrees, I think, when I just looked. And we're getting frost
34 degrees
on
frost
the truck,
starting.
so it's
Frost on
it's
us.
a little bit colder than that. But heat's going good. We both got our heat on. We're hanging out by the fire, guys.
Yeah.
It's cold if you're away from it.
Yeah. If you get a few feet from it now, well, earlier it was 10 feet, now it's like 3 feet.
Yeah.
You feel it.
Good breeze come up, hit you in the back. You can feel it up your back too. But this is the price you pay for when your tent breaks, right? Can't hang out where it's warm. No.
We're out in the yard, ain't we?
Gotta hang out outside. But we were talking a little while ago, you know, just a couple generations ago, you know, our forefathers, your forefathers, you know, this kind of stuff was perfectly normal to them, you know, hanging outside, out in the open all year round, and nothing but a fire to keep you warm for light, all that kind of stuff. So I guess in a way we ain't done nothing that a million other people ain't done before.
That's right.
I guess if they made it, we'd probably make it too. Huh?
And we wonder how they made it. We got stuff they don't have.
Yeah. I'm sure. Well, I'm sure that cavemen had heaters in their truck campers. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they all had Hank bring them a bunch of firewood too.
Yeah. I'd say they had some Hanks around back in that time.
I'm sure.
Didn't they?
Oh, I'm sure. But
Yeah.
he's maybe going to go with us tomorrow up to the old graveyard that we're going to. And I'm really hoping he does. He said if he feels like it, he's going to go. So I'm really hoping he does, because he actually knows stuff, you know? He's old school Hatfield. He knows stuff.
You know, you like people that know stuff, don't you?
Absolutely do. Absolutely. I've been wanting to get Hank on camera. You know, he's just a cool dude. you
Yeah,
know, and he's a Hatfield, you know, and he's cool, man. He reminds me of Santa Claus.
He does.
He really does. He reminds me of Santa Claus.
He got such a good personality.
Yeah, he does. He does. He's a real good dude. But hopefully he's going to go with us. In the morning, you can't see anything. It's down the mountain curves, goes down that way, and it's around the curve. But it's not far, maybe half a mile, if that. But all we got to do is survive the night and not freeze to death. That's all we got to do.
If you hear me unzip tonight and come out here around this fire right here, it ain't that I've went nuts or nothing. It's just I'm trying to get warm. Is all.
Was your tent pretty warm?
Oh yeah, it's probably 70 degrees in there now.
Is it?
Yeah.
I haven't checked in the back of the truck, but I got the heat on. I turned it all the way up, so I'll probably have to open the window, let some of that out.
I'm gonna be going that way here for long, I figure.
Yeah. It's a long day. It's a long day, which we'll probably call it a night early. I'm thinking, I don't know, 10:30, something like that. Maybe another half hour, 45 minutes, something like that.
Yeah.
Hang out by the fire, just relax, enjoy, and keep warm.
Yeah.
It is getting cold. Like I said, if you step away from the fire, Now you can see a little bit of frost here and there. You see quite a bit of it on the truck. The whole top of the truck's white. So it's definitely getting cold. Y'all see any clouds or storms?
Yeah, we've been looking at the moon.
There's the moon.
Look at that.
Orion's over there now.
It's very bright. You can't
Look
see it
there.
through that, but
Look
it's
over to here now.
really bright.
That is really cool.
It's almost full.
I don't know if y'all can see this or not. I don't think you can. I can't
Beautiful.
see it in the screen. But it is absolutely breathtaking. Just really clear and bright. All kinds of stars.
So, folks, I'm gonna go ahead
Until
and
you look over that way where the lights are. You
sign
can't
off
see
here.
much
And
over that way.
I'll
Get back
get
here,
back
though.
with y'all later or in the morning while. Well, we got the fire all down to where it ain't doing much now. We're gonna lay down for the night. It's 77 degrees in here, and it's 32, around 32 outside. Frost is on, and we're gonna get us some rest tonight, and we're gonna go out in the morning and check out the graveyard that he was talking about. So we'll see y'all folks in the morning, and y'all have a good night. Pretty cool. More than just cool. Sun is coming up though. It'll be pretty today. We're gonna let this sun come up, warm up a little bit, and we'll get started, I'd say, for long. We'll see if I can get a fire started or something here. We'll get back to tent one because it's too cold to be out here walking around. But we'll get back to y'all just a little bit. Morning, folks. Well, made it through the night. It was a cold one last night. It's 28 degrees this morning. Sun's up. Starting to warm up a little bit now. I haven't seen or heard from Leo yet. I guess he's still resting a little bit. We're gonna go out in a little while and check out a graveyard. I think he's wanting to go to once it warms up some, but it's headed that way. So we'll get off here and wait till it warms up a little bit, and we'll head up that way. Catch y'all there. Folks, I just wanted to show y'all something. This is pretty cool right here. Leo had pointed that out. This chair sitting here.
Look how easily we're entertained.
Well, it don't take much, does it?
Check out the frost on the ground. You ready?
Yeah. Check this out.
Everything else, all the frost, well, the shade.
It's gone.
But look at that. Ready?
Yeah, move it out of the way. There you go. Now look at it. You can see the imprint of that chair on the ground of that frost.
The shade from the legs, the seat.
Ain't that just the coolest
and the
thing?
back of the cushion. That's
Boy,
wild looking.
Well, it don't take much to entertain us, does it?
No, it don't. It don't, Danny. We're pretty easy entertained, apparently, buddy.
But that's cool, though. Ain't nothing else here like that.
Frost on the ground. Hey, look, here's another leg right here.
Yeah, the other leg part right there. We just thought we'd share that.
Yeah. Well, we thought it was weird.
So, Leo, you're going to build a fire, and we're going to think about it, and then we're going to go do something, right?
Yeah, we're going to get us a fire going. It's, what, about 33, 34 degrees right now, something like that. It's pretty cold. It's pretty cool out. So we're going to get us a little fire going. I'm going to get me some coffee going. Danny's not really a coffee drinker.
I might. I'm different, ain't I? I don't know, I might drink some this morning to thaw my pipes out.
Not a bad idea, brother. Not a bad idea.
All right, we'll get this going here. Ain't much right now, but we'll make something out of it.
Yeah, we'll get him going. We got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 pieces left from last night. Well, it looks like
It's been good, ain't it, buddy?
It sure has, man.
I appreciate you, man, for
Hey, right back at you,
hollering
man.
at me and coming down and camping with you, and you let me go with you to the graveyard. I learned a lot from you, brother. Thank you so much.
Right back at you, man. I had a good old time, and you did a good job backing back off that hill, too. Just thought I'd tell you.
We did get back off of one piece, didn't we?
We survived. That's the main thing, man. We We made it off the hill.
All right, man. I'll get back over to the county, and you let me know when you want to do something else, and we'll do something else.
Okay, man. That sounds like a plan.
My week's
really
full.
good.
I know yours is too.
Yeah.
So.
We both got to go to the dentist tomorrow.
Yeah. We went last week. Same
we
day.
had same day appointments
Didn't
last
know
week,
that.
and then didn't know it, but yeah. Twice in a row, dental appointments, different places.
So we got to get our twofers all straightened out.
Yeah.
All right,
But
man.
we are all packed up. We've got all of our junk. Got our side all cleaned up.
Nothing, no trash nowhere.
And we are good to go, guys. So I guess, I very much, both of y'all.
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed our little trip. Hope you, enjoyed our little, we tried to throw in a little bit of, camping, a little bit of cool, a little bit of adventure, a little bit of history,
Yeah, you've done the arrowhead. That was cool.
Yeah, the
That was
arrowheads,
cool.
all kinds of stuff. So, yeah, this has been a really cool trip. And it's been a lot of fun.
Yep, sure
But
has.
anyway, guys, I hope that y'all have had half as much fun as I have. If you've had half as much fun as me, you've enjoyed this video a lot. And hopefully you guys are tired and hungry and dirty just as much as we are and ready to go to hell home.
Yeah, there you go. What he said.
Yeah. Hey, guys, we'll see y'all next time. Y'all have a
Thank
really
y'all
great
so
day.
much.
Thank you for
Y'all
watching.
have a blessed day.
And we will see you guys next time on the Hillbilly Files, Camping with Leo, and our Appalachian Roots with Dan.
That's right. See y'all later.
We'll see y'all later. Y'all have a really good day. And Leo out.